Hello, this is the NYPD. We would like to notify you about the noise complaints that we've been receiving from your neighbors. They have been sharing concerns of a potential child abuse that's been going on in your household. A Child Protective Services has already been notified about this, by the way, and we also have received an audio recording that was assumed to be coming from your said house. With that, we will be visiting you tomorrow at 4:30 p.m.
John. John, that's not how you properly do it to a guy that doesn't pay his rent. Go like this. Understand, John? You're making me mad right here. Yeah, you know my Xbox. All I wanted to do was watch gay funny porn on my computer. Motherfucker! That's what I wanted to do! I wanted to watch gay funny porn. No Xbox! You're making me mad! John. Dude, no, my Xbox. That's my Xbox. Do you like... Are you gay? No. John, for the last time, are you gay? No. Do you like my PlayStation? Do you like furry porn? No, that's my sad. John, finish this stuff. Why don't you like gay furry porn? I'm not gay. Motherfucker! John! You like furry porn? No. Say yes. No. Motherfucker!